Okay, today I'm looking for an online diagnosis on my 3-liter twin-turbo Mitsubishi engine. It's out of a 1991 Dodge Stealth. What happened was I was fogging it for the winter, and I was putting the fog spray right up in this booster hose that the manufacturer recommended, and now I've got a piston knock, broken lifter, broken rod, a bent rod. I don't know what it is. It's making a severe noise. I'm gonna put the camera down here and let's see if we can get this. It sounds like it's gonna break. Okay, I'm shutting it off. You know, this time listening, it sounded to me like it was coming from right inside the head here. I'd say right around this area. Can anybody tell me what that is? Thank you.